personal choices niya. And then HFP is a different entity altogether sa atin.
Ma'am, you don't feel, how do you feel towards the statement of the President? Kasi you vouch for Senator Jinggoy Estrada kanina, and yet the President sabi niya hindi daw niya endorse si Jinggoy. So parang, how do you reconcile po yung kumbaga parang contrasting statements?
Number one, sabi ko nga, si President Duterte is he's the president, so he has that prerogative na pumili ng kanyang mga kandidato, personal choices niya as candidates for